now we have your projector set up there on the tables, and we have the cables plugged in. We're just going to go over the cabling real quick. You'll notice that on the one that's supplying sound, we have the sound cable, and it goes all the way back to the board. We have a power cable, and we have a power cable also for the video converter that goes back to the soundboard. And we have this white cable that's plugged into the converter. All that was done on a previous video. We have, now on the one that isn't supplying sound, we have just power, converter, we still need the converter, and the network cable that's actually carrying the video signal. So let's follow these. So you're going to have 3 cables that go back to the board. Video, video, sound. Let's walk all the way back to the board. And you will, of course, be putting these underneath some kind of a Velcro strip or tape or something, but don't use tape because it's sticky and yucky. And where do they plug in? So now, here's the sound, and it goes into position 6 under video, plugs right in like you would a microphone. And then on the back, the video cables plug in to these 2 here, just like that. Okay? Now, if we look at the front, and you're going to want to get right down here. If you look at the front, you'll notice these lights. See how fast they're blinking? That's how you know you've got signal. A fast blink like that means you've got signal going to them. If they're just kind of lobing, but they're on, that means if you have the 3 lights, that means you've got link. But if they're lobing, like dink, 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 like that, then that means you don't have a video signal going over the projectors. But this fast one means you do. So let's say for some reason you're not getting video. One of the things you want to check is if you hold down the Windows key and hit P for presentation, you'll get this. And oftentimes you'll find that it is in projector only mode. So we're now in, did I say projector only? I'm sorry, in a computer only mode. Now if we look down at the little lights again, you'll notice we've got see the slow blink? Link, link, link. We've got link, they're connected, but it's a slow blink. Now we go to here, presentation, you should be in extended mode. And we look back under here, and there you go, you got fast link, fast speed on the data. That means data is being transferred. All right, so that is the setup of that. So I'm now going to start the video, and we'll see if we've got sound. So from beginning, and then I'm going to go forward, 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 forward. And we don't have sound. Let's see if we've got video. So this is good. We go back to here. The video actually running. Oh, we don't have sound because we have not turned the projectors on. Troubleshooting 1, turn the projectors on. So I'm going to press that on. Now, it's interesting. You'll notice we said we had link. That doesn't mean the projectors didn't have to be on, but the device under here was on. And this device is what gave the link over to the soundboard. Okay, so that's on. And I'm now going to hit the power here. And now what's going to happen is when this goes on, we're suddenly going to get sound. And you'll hear we got sound because now this projector started to get the HDMI, the video signal, and produce the sound. So let's check out a couple of things. If you're not getting sound on these things, the first thing you want to do is, let's go to the menu. So I'm going to press the menu key, and I want to go down to the settings area, and I want to make sure that my volume is set to something other than 0. All right? And only on the one that's actually sending sound back to the board. So the projector that has the sound cord plugged into it, the volume should be up 17, 18. Now let's check this one. We go to menu, we go to settings, and you'll notice the volume is 0, and you want it at 0. If this isn't 0, you will produce sound actually coming out of the projector itself, and that would be very annoying for the person next to the projector. It is very distracting. So one should be at 0, and the other one should be 16, 17. If you adjust the volume here, it will change the volume on the soundboard. So it changes the volume going to the soundboard. So the two places, those three places you can adjust volume. One place is here. You can adjust the volume here on the projector, you can adjust the volume at the computer, and you can adjust the volume at the slider. So there's three places. All right, and that's how you double check to make sure everything's okay. We've shown you how that link to the converters. We've shown you that if these aren't on, you can't actually project something. That's a good thing. And we've actually shown you how to check the volume. So, have fun. Thank you for watching.